Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Russell Benjamin. Guys, ngayon gumagawa ako ng game mat. Ngayon ay nilalagyan ko siya ng 2 cup flour and 1.5 teaspoon yes and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder and sugar 3 teaspoon and 3 teaspoon milk and just guys, no egg guys, no egg. Ito guys, lagyan mo ng glass ay lalagyan mo siya ng oil and then ilalagay like this. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Masarap to guys, crispy. Kasi nilalagyan ko din siya ng cornstarch, 3 teaspoon cornstarch. May glass na i-mix siya. And then pagkatapos nito guys, lagyan mo siya ng honey. Ayan guys, marami na siya. Mamaya guys, ilalagay yan tapos lagyan ng honey. Ngayon lagyan namin ng honey guys. Yan yung honey. Ayan guys, ang honey. Yan. Lagyan siyang ganyan. Halibot. Sarap guys. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Yan ang nilalagyan namin. Ayan. Tapos guys, ayan. Lagyan ng takip. Ayan. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.